How do you measure a day like today? A ruler and a snowdrift can tell you the inches. But all day long, people on the internet and even our ABC News team have been sending in home videos of their real lives. And we'll begin with the one from Philadelphia on those very stairs Rocky once ran up.
People always talk about being trapped with little kids during a storm in the house. Try being trapped with two 18-year-old football players.
You really gonna play basketball?
Yep. My son Jake had his friend Sean over. They had to get outside. They were like two trapped golden retrievers needing a run.
I'm gonna try and go into work. I'm sure I'll make it. My car's been pretty good, but it's gonna be an adventure.
Down from Virginia to New England. The essentials are needed to battle a huge snowstorm with
Okay, this probably wasn't that smart driving in because it's pretty bad.
I'm, though, on a quest for a hot cup of coffee. Come on now. Don't let me down. That would be a locked door here at Starbucks. I think there was a new classification for storm. The Starbucks closing storm. That's when you know it's for real.
That's my car. Initial snow blast from the wind.
Windy! Our mission right now is actually to try to get the mail, and it's going to be harder than you think. Come on. Snowball fight to our rear. Best things about snowdrifts. Good place to throw snowballs from.
Sorry, it was true.
Just got hit with a snowball. All right. And here we get the first glimpse of our mailbox. I can't believe it. Come here. There's no mail. I thought these guys delivered through anything. Well, no mail. The newspaper was actually delivered. Now that is impressive. Somebody's working today.
Okay. From all of us at ABC News, have a very good night.